Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing amazing. Today I want to show you guys my cocoa station. This year I'm keeping it super simple, unlike the previous year. I will put the links of the other two that I've done in the description box down below in case you guys want to check it out. So these are a few of my holiday Rae Dunn mugs. I'm only going to be using about 3 or 4 of them for the display on the mug rack. I'm going to start by wiping down my surface. Always do that before you put anything up for decorations. Now my mug rack, I had this for a couple years now and it is from World Market. And this cocoa sign I got from Hobby Lobby last year. But they do have it this year because I just went to Hobby Lobby a couple days ago and I saw it. So I'm going to be using the command hook to hang the sign. I'm going to play around with it for a little bit because, you know, sometimes a different angle or, you know, looks different. This hot cocoa sign, I actually got it from an Instagram person. It's kind of like a promotion, so it was free. So here I'm trying to decide which tier tray I want to use. So my 10-year-old said, use the metal one, mommy, use the metal one. So we'll be going with the metal one. Do you guys normally have a cocoa station or a coffee station? I don't drink coffee, I'm a tea person. And voila, this is the result. Like I said, I just want to keep it super simple this year, not a lot of little knickknacks. I keep my marshmallows and the hot cocoa actually in the pantry. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know in the comment down below if you've decorated your cocoa station yet. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks everyone. Bye.